Students, today we are going to revise what we have learned in last 4 days. Our chapter was fibers, plastics, metals and non-metals. So today, these days, we are learning about synthetic fibers. So you all know that all fibers are not obtained from animals. There are also some fibers that are man-made. They are made from chemicals. Such fibers are known as synthetic fibers. They are also known as man-made fibers, right? So synthetic fibers are created artificially by using petrochemicals. Now what are petrochemicals? During refining of petroleum, we obtain some chemicals. Using those chemicals, we make synthetic fibers, right? So such chemicals are known as petrochemicals, right? Now these fibers are composed by joining very small units which are known as monomers. These monomers are chemically combined with each other to form a polymer. Mono means single, mer means unit. When we join many single units chemically with each other, they form a polymer. The meaning of polymer is many units, right? So we find polymers by joining many single units or monomers. Now we will discuss some characteristics of synthetic fibers and natural fibers. First one is absorption capacity. Natural fibers can absorb more water in comparison to synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers absorb very less water when they are washed, right? Flammability. Synthetic fibers catch fire very easily in comparison to natural fibers, right? Durability. Synthetic fibers can handle very heavier loads. That is why they are used in making ropes, right? And the less absorption capacity of synthetic fibers help us in making umbrellas or waterproof clothes, right? Students, there are many types of synthetic fibers. Out of them, 4 main types are rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. So we are going to learn about the characteristics of these 4 types of fibers. First we will discuss about the properties of rayon and nylon, right? So rayon is shiny and lustrous. That is why it is used as artificial silk also, right? It is used in making curtains, bed sheets and ties, right? Rayon is lustrous, light, strong and elastic, right? It is used in making fishing nets, parachutes and bristles of a toothbrush. Students, now the properties and uses of polyesters and acrylic fibers, right? So polyesters are synthetic fibers made by joining many units of esters and esters, and they are crumple resistant, easy to wash and have less absorption capacity. they absorb very less water in comparison to natural fibers, right? On the other hand, acrylics are synthetic fibers which resemble wool, and they are resistant to moth which consume natural fibers, right? That is why we prefer many times these synthetic fibers over the natural fibers.